War Eagle, and thank you for your interest in on-campus housing. This short video will give you a brief tutorial of our new applicant housing application process and walk you through the housing application. Incoming students are able to apply for housing once they are accepted to the university. Housing application time slots are emailed to students' Auburn email shortly after being accepted. Students should activate their Auburn username and password prior to filling out their housing application. During your designated time slot, you should log into the Housing Student Portal either through the link in your time slot email or by going to our website and clicking on the Housing Student Portal button located on our homepage. Once in the portal, you'll click the link to the housing application Fall 2024, Spring 2025. Once you've selected the correct term, you will land on the new applicant housing application homepage. On the homepage, we have included tips for filling out the housing application, so please take a moment to read through this information. Once you are ready, you will click the Start Application button to begin the application. The first page is the housing agreement. Please read and download or print the housing terms of agreement. You will sign that you agree to these terms by entering your student NINO number. If you are 18 years old or younger, you will need to have a parent or guardian, also known as a proxy, acknowledge the terms of the housing agreement as well. You must have both signatures in order to proceed with the housing application. On this page, you will enter your proxy's information. Make sure you enter the correct email, as this is where the link to the form will go. The proxy also has an opportunity to download the terms of agreement as well. Once the proxy information has been submitted, you're able to click on the application link to proceed with your housing application. The next page you will land on is the personal details page. Please confirm the information is correct and enter your cell phone number. Next, you will indicate if you have or plan to have a housing accommodation on file with the Office of Accessibility. New this year, you can now provide university housing with an alternate email address. This email address serves as a secondary email address. Please note that the student Auburn email is our primary method of communication, so it is still important to continue to check that email regularly, as this is where we will send student-specific information. The secondary alternative email address will serve as another way for university housing to communicate general housing reminders and important dates and deadlines. As you continue to proceed through the housing application, the next page you will land on will be your housing preference page. Please note that it is okay if you are unsure about your preferences when you are filling out your housing application, as you can log back in at a later date to update as needed. However, you will have to rank all 7 preferences for that application, as this is required to proceed. Next, you will land on the application summary page. You will click Save and Continue to proceed to the payment portion of our housing application. Once your payment is successful, make sure to submit your housing application. You have now submitted your 2024-2025 housing application and application fee. You will receive a confirmation email to your Auburn email account. The next few pages of the housing application can be done at your leisure. These pages are optional and are not required. You can simply proceed through them and come back if you would like to update or make changes to your preferences. These pages include our RLC preferences and our roommate matching pages. If you want to update your preferences, all you need to do is log into this housing student portal, click on the housing application, and proceed to your desired pages. Your application is now complete. Thank you for watching this video on the housing application process. We hope that you found it helpful and informative. If you still have questions, please do not hesitate to reach out via email at housing@auburn.edu. You may also find it helpful to visit our website at universityhousing.auburn.edu and click on the Apply tab. Congratulations on your acceptance to the university, and